Today, creating videos is no longer restricted to cameras, studios, or complex editing setups. With the growth of AI technology, anyone can now produce professional quality videos faster and with far less effort. AI-generated characters can talk, move, and show emotions in a way that feels natural and lifelike. Because of this, more creators and brands are using AI to save time while still maintaining high production standards. If you want to make talking videos without hiring actors, recording yourself, or spending hours on production, this video will be helpful for you. Today, we're taking a look at a powerful AI tool that simplifies the entire workflow and makes video creation accessible even for beginners. It's called Dzine AI, and you can find the link in the description below. Allows you to create realistic AI characters that appear natural and engaging. You don't need advanced skills or previous experience to use it. The platform features a clean, user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to get started. Whether you're creating AI influencer content, animated videos, or talking characters for social media, makes the process smooth and straightforward. In this video, we'll focus on two key features inside Dzine AI that help characters look more realistic and speak more naturally, making your videos feel more authentic and professional. After clicking the link in the description, you'll arrive at this page. From here, you can sign up using your email or continue with your Google account. Once registration is complete, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. As you can see, offers a variety of tools, and the interface is clean and easy to navigate. Everything is well organized. However, in today's video, we'll focus specifically on NanoBanana image generation and lip sync, as these are the main highlights. Let's begin with image generation using Google NanoBanana Pro. First, go to the text-to-image section. You'll see a powerful yet simple dashboard. The first step is to choose the image generation model by clicking this box. Here you'll find multiple models such as Dzine Image Generation, Dzine Realistic, Flux, NanoBanana, and more. For this example, we'll select NanoBanana Pro, which is Google's newest and most advanced image model. Next, I'll enter my prompt into the prompt box and enable the Prompt Improver option. This feature enhances your prompt automatically to produce more detailed and refined results. Now, I'll select the image resolution and choose 4K quality. Then I'll set the image ratio to 9:16, which works perfectly for social media content. After that, I simply click Generate and wait a few seconds. As you can see, the image is ready. The quality looks impressive. The facial details, lighting, and realism stand out immediately. This level of output is ideal for AI influencer content. You can favorite the image, download it, or place it directly into the canvas. Now, let's create another example using a product image prompt. For this image, I'll choose a 1:1 ratio, which works best for product shots. I click Generate, wait a few seconds, and the image is ready. The lighting, textures, and overall commercial appearance look very professional. From here, I can download the image and select the format, such as PNG or JPG. Once downloaded, the image is saved directly to my device. Let's try one more example. This time, I'll enter a prompt for a realistic AI male character. After selecting the image quality, I choose a 16:9 ratio. I click Generate, and within seconds, the image appears. The quality is excellent. The facial expression, skin texture, and clarity make it perfect for talking videos and lip sync animation. Now that our images are ready, let's move to the next powerful feature, lip sync. First, open the dashboard and select the lip sync option. Upload your face image from your device. Once the image is uploaded, Dzine AI automatically detects the face. Click Confirm to continue. Now it's time to bring the character to life using voice. Click Pick a voice and you'll see a full library of voices with different tones and personalities. You'll find calm narrators, expressive storytellers, and energetic conversational voices, all clearly labeled.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
Find a comfortable place to lie down.
Hold on to your hats, folks, because the news coming out from
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social?
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Finn.
Each voice sounds natural, with realistic rhythm and tone rather than sounding robotic. You can also switch languages with one click, making this feature useful for global or multilingual projects. In the text box below, you can add natural dialogue, short lines, or complete sentences. Once done, click Generate Audio. Within seconds, the system creates a realistic voiceover with proper tone and emotion.
Hi, I'm an AI-generated presenter created in just a few clicks.
Click Apply. Select the video quality such as 1080p and then press Generate. After a short wait, your lip sync video is ready.
Hi, I'm an AI-generated presenter created in just a few clicks. Hi, I'm an AI-generated presenter created in just a few clicks.
The mouth movements appear natural and perfectly synchronized with the voice. For multi-face lip sync, simply upload an image that contains multiple faces. Automatically detects each face. After confirming, you'll see separate voice options for every person in the image. Here, you can assign a male voice to one character and a female voice to another. Add individual dialogue for each person using the same process. Once everything is set, click Generate. After a short wait, your multi-person lip sync video is ready.
Welcome. This AI presenter was created without cameras or actors.
This realistic lip sync shows how AI can bring any character to life.
The final result looks smooth, natural, and highly professional, clearly demonstrating realistic multi-character interaction. AI demonstrates how powerful and accessible AI video creation has become. With features like NanoBanana Pro image generation and advanced lip sync, anyone can produce professional AI influencer content without complex tools or prior experience. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or working with clients, this platform saves time while delivering high-quality results. Feel free to check the link in the description to explore yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned